Using Namecheap is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open your Chrome browser, and then search for Namecheap. After some time, search will complete and you have to click on this link that is namecheap.com. The website will open. And on the header of the screen, you'll have many options such as domain hosting, WordPress, email, apps, security, transfer to us, and more. Namecheap is also known for its user-friendly interface and excellent customer support, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses looking to establish an online presence. Additionally, the company has a strong reputation for its advocacy of digital rights and support for organizations like the Electronic Frontier Foundation in promoting online privacy and security. Scrolling down, you'll come across Buy a Domain and Everything Else You Need section. The reviews of this website show 5-star ratings with an overall rating of 4.7 out of 5 from 2 million plus customers. Trusted worldwide, Namecheap is recognized by platforms like Sigma, Immigrant Privacy, and Buffer, which use its services. Further down, you'll find reviews, details, and frequently asked questions. This section can help you address any queries you might have. At the bottom of the screen, various options are available for you to explore based on your preferences. Now, let's create an account on this website to get started. Click on the Account button. You can also choose to sign in or sign up. If you have an account, click on Sign In button. If not, click Sign Up button. After this, enter your name, input your password, then confirm it. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Checkmark all the required policies. Then click Create Account and continue. You'll notice that my account has been successfully created. One thing you should remember that is Namecheap is not totally free. You have to pay amount to use every feature like for hosting service, Domina service, and many other services. On the left side of the screen, you'll find several options. For instance, expiring and expired sections display purchased plans. The name list section shows purchased domains. And the hosting list section provides access to purchased hosting plans. In the hosting list section, you'll see available hosting services. As you can see, I currently don't have any hosting services. This dashboard shows your hosting list. But Namecheap provides a comprehensive range of hosting services tailored to meet various website and business needs. Their shared hosting is an economical choice for individuals and small businesses, offering affordability without compromising on essential features. For WordPress enthusiasts, Namecheap's WordPress hosting ensures optimized performance and convenient management with one-click installations and automatic updates. Those requiring more control and resources can opt for VPS hosting, offering flexibility and scalability. Dedicated hosting provides the pinnacle of performance, granting users an entire server for their exclusive use, ideal for large websites and businesses with substantial traffic. Moving on, there's the private email option, allowing you to create private emails. Under SSL certificates and apps, you can explore available options. If you want to install an app, click Get Some App. You'll find various apps, some free and some not, to choose from. Once you select an app, click Try for free to add it to your account. Returning to the homepage, you'll see sections for domain and hosting. Clicking on Domain reveals several options. You can perform a domain name search or initiate a domain transfer. For domain search, input a name such as Usama and click Search. Available domains and prices will be displayed. You'll find options like osama.com for $39.99 per year. Scrolling down, you'll find other domain options like osama.gg, osama.net, and osama.com. Some are free, while others come at a premium cost. Moving on to hosting, various options such as shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS, dedicated hosting, and migration to Namecheap are available. For example, click on WordPress hosting to explore further. This way, you can buy domains and hosting on Namecheap. Returning to the home section, you'll find the hosting section. Clicking on the hosting section reveals an important category, reseller hosting. Click on the Reseller Hosting button, and I'll explain how this works. Within the Reseller Hosting section, you'll see 3 plans available. The first plan is priced at $19.88 per month, followed by the quarterly plan and the yearly plan. Now, let's dive into how this works. Resellers are individuals who purchase hosting from Namecheap servers and then sell it to customers at a lower price. For instance, let's say I choose the popular yearly plan and decide to sell it to others for $5 or $6 per month. When customers buy this service from me, I'll earn money. However, I only need to pay Namecheap $36 for the service. This way, I can sell hosting to multiple accounts each month, creating a profitable endeavor. You can also explore the features of reseller hosting and read about how it works in more detail if you're interested in using this tool. All the essential information is available. Furthermore, the dashboard for your chosen plan displays various features. You can see that the disk space is 30 GB, file limit, and many other features are outlined. By venturing into reselling the hosting from this website, you have the potential to earn a substantial income. You'll observe that WordPress hosting offers fast, affordable, managed solutions for everyone. There's a try for free button and free courses and plans available. Click the try for free button if you want to use it without charge. The easy WordPress option starts at $0 for the first 30 days. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred payment method. Enter your card details and other required information. After filling out the form, click Confirm Payment to buy WordPress hosting. Now return to the main page, where you'll find another option, WordPress. Here, you can manage your WordPress hosting. Moving on, there's Business Email and Migrate Email. Click on Business Email to view professional email prices. Plans start at $1.24 per month, and you can create your business email upon purchase. The Apps button provides access to the marketplace, subscription, and business information. If you want to learn more about how to use Namecheap, you should scroll down to the end of this website. Here, you'll find a blog about how to use Namecheap. On the right side of the screen, you'll see many options, including domain security and guru guides. As you scroll further down, you'll notice that the second last option is affiliate, which is an important section of this website. To proceed, click on this button. Now, let's explore how to use this tool. You'll find information about the Namecheap affiliate program, where you can earn commissions when you refer new customers to Namecheap. To apply for the affiliate program, click on the Apply Now button. Continue scrolling down to learn why you should become a Namecheap affiliate, which includes 3 points, high conversions, quick and easy steps, and regular payouts. You can explore these in more detail. Scrolling further, you'll find instructions on how to work as an affiliate. This involves accessing your affiliate account, signing up for one of the affiliate platforms listed below, and after approval, gaining access to affiliate text links and banners with your affiliate ID applied. The second step is to share your affiliate link to attract people to join the platform, and by hosting their domains, you can earn commissions. Lastly, there's information about how you will receive your commission. You'll notice that there are 3 main programs to choose from: Impact Radius, Commission Junction, and Share Sale. You can explore these options on your own. To get started, click on the Apply Now button. A new window will appear, and you can select one of the available options. In this case, you want to join the program, so click on Enroll here. Now click on Sign Up button. The next window will appear as follows. In this window, you can see fields for your name, contract terms, and a box displaying payout details. You can manually read that it's 35% of the total sale amount, among other things. Scroll down, and you'll find an Accept button. To sign up for your account, you have 5 options: Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Alternatively, you can sign up with your email. Begin by entering your first name, last name, and a username of your choice. Then, provide your email address and create a password. You can either use a suggested password or create your own. Afterward, click on Accept Terms and Policies. Now, click on the Get Started button. You'll also need to enter your phone number. Once you've provided all the necessary details, click Get Started, and your account will be created and ready for you to access. In this way, you can use Namecheap